Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start our next chapter, chapter number 9, Scientific Instruments. Now let us start question answer session. Scientific instruments are very useful to us in our day-to-day life. The uses of some instruments are given below. Match the instruments with the use it is put to. First one, barometer. Barometer is used to measuring atmospheric pressure, which is option C. A barometer is a scientific instrument that is used to measure air pressure in a certain environment. Pressure tendency can forecast short-term changes in the weather. Many instruments of air pressure are used within surface weather analysis to help find surface troughs, pressure systems, and frontal boundaries. Second one, use of hydrometer is to measure the specific gravity of liquids, which is option G. It operates based on the Archimedes principle that a solid body displays its own weight within a liquid in which it floats. Hydrometers can be divided into two general classes: liquids heavier than water and liquids lighter than water. Next one. Radar is used to detect movements of aircraft or missiles in the sky or space, which is option A. Radar is a detection system that uses radio waves to determine the range, angle, or velocity of objects. It can also be used to detect ships, spacecraft, motor vehicles, weather formations, and terrain. Next one. Hydrometer is used for measuring level of humidity, which is option I. It is an instrument used to measure the amount of water vapor in air, in soil, or in confined spaces. Next one, lactometer. Lactometer is used for measuring the relative density of milk to determine purity, which is option J. The specific gravity of milk does not give a conclusive indication of its composition, since milk contains a variety of substances that are either heavier or lighter than water. Additional tests for fat contents are necessary to determine overall composition. Next one, thermometer. Thermometer is used for measuring temperature, which is option E. Next one, galvanometer. Galvanometer is used to measure electric current, which is option B. A galvanometer is an electromechanical instrument used for detecting and indicating an electric current. A galvanometer works as an actuator by producing a rotary deflection in response to electric current flowing through a coil in a constant magnetic field. Next one, teleprinter. It is used to devise and send type message from one place to another, which is option D. A teleprinter works on the start-stop principle. A teleprinter acts both as a transmitter and as a receiver. When used as a receiver, the signals are received in the serial form of converted into parallel. Then a dictator converts it into the character and the printer prints it on the paper. Next one, binoculars. It is used to view distant objects, which is option H. Binoculars or field glasses are two telescopes mounted side by side and aligned to point in the same direction, allowing the viewer to use both eyes when viewing distant objects. Most are sized to be held using both hands, although size vary widely from opera glasses to large pedestal mounted military models. Next one, telescope. It is used for viewing a distant object in space, which is option A. A telescope is a tool that astronomers use to see far away objects. Most telescopes and all large telescopes work by using curved mirrors to gather and focus light from the night sky. The first telescope focused light by using pieces of curved clear glass called lenses. Fun fact. Wireless radio was first invented to assist the police in nabbing an absconding criminal. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.